The seafarers at Everyday Captain increased sales, traffic to their site, and their use of water-related puns. It all started with one element, and this fateful trip will take less time than a 3-hour tour. How'd they do that? Weebly's newsletter element is a simple, integrated solution for sending email marketing. Your visitors can opt in right from your site. And if you're using Promote, you can automatically sync these signups with your contacts. Drag the newsletter element anywhere you'd like on a page, or even to the footer of your site. Click on the element, then Form Options to give this form a title, enter an email address to which form entries will be sent, and configure a few other options. If you'd like, you can add a number of other elements, depending on what type of information you want to collect. When you're finished, just save, then publish your site. When a visitor submits their information, you'll receive an email, and it will also show up on your dashboard under Form Entries. If you're using Promote for email marketing, you can easily sync your Weebly contacts. So anytime a visitor submits their email via your form, it will automatically show up in your Promote contacts dashboard as well. If you're using a service like MailChimp or Constant Contact, you can still export your contacts via the Form Entries section and upload the list to the service of your choosing. And that's how you do that.